passengers. There are a few steps you should follow to properly enter an aircraft. Once you enter the plane, you will notice there is a human being standing there. This is how you should proceed.
Good morning!
The following are also acceptable examples.
Hello! Olá! Bom dia! Guten Morgen! Ciao! Yo!
Some security-minded airlines may ask you for your plane ticket by the door. Showing the card once more is not done to annoy you.
Today, I'm gonna ask for every boarding card.
This is done to guarantee you are on the correct flight. Ladies and gentlemen, we're delighted to welcome you to London.
Hello? I'm going to Barcelona.
And also for security reasons. Not everyone that approaches a plane has good intentions. Checking for a valid ticket may prevent serious consequences. So please try not to do the following.
22F. Again? I've showed already 3 times. It's in my bag. I don't know where my ticket is. I think the gate agent kept it. Yes, the gate agent kept it.
You are finally free to go to your seat. And where is row 3? It is usually located after row 2 and before row 4. And have you ever noticed there is no row 13 on aircrafts?